Good morning, friends. Today we're going to be doing review of the planets. We're going to do an art project. Originally, I bought this art project to do with the kindergartners, and the children in the afternoon, but we're not together. So I'm going to have to do this project by myself and then show it to you. But what I've done is I'm going to include some links to some coloring pages for your parents so that if you would like to do a project similar to this at home, you can. What we're going to need for our project today is some cutouts of the planets, which you will be able to have if your parents are able to print them out for you. And then also we're going to need some crayons. So maybe you have some crayons at home. Let's get started. Okay, Jack is going to be helping us out by coloring the sun. For the sun, he has selected a yellow color. For your sun, you could choose orange, yellow, red, or a mixture of those colors.
The closest planet to the sun is Mercury. I will be reading some selections from My Solar System by Lorna Gutierrez. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It has freezing cold nights and scorching hot days. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury. The next planet is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet. It is covered in clouds that reflect the sun. Sometimes we can see Venus from Earth. Venus. After Venus comes Earth, our planet. Earth is where we live. Most of Earth is covered with water. Conditions on Earth make it perfect for life. Earth. Next is Mars. Mars is called the Red Planet. It has very strong dust storms. Mars is a rocky planet. Mars. Now the first of the gas giants, Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. All the other planets could fit inside of it. Jupiter has many moons. The largest is Ganymede. Jupiter. Next comes Saturn. Saturn has the largest and brightest rings. The rings are made of chunks of ice and rock. One day on Saturn takes 10.7 hours. Saturn. After Saturn comes Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet. It is made of gas and has a blue-green color. Uranus spins on its side. Uranus. And the last planet, Neptune. Neptune is windy and cold. It is the last planet in our solar system. Neptune is made from different gases. Neptune.
Now that we have colored all of our planets to match our NASA pictures, it's time to put them in order. I have some special hooks that I will be using to link all of the planets together in the orbits that they travel around the sun, starting with Mercury, which is the closest planet to the sun, and ending with Neptune, which is the farthest planet from the sun.
In the poem But Outer Space by Robert Frost talks about how space is empty of people. Remember, Earth is the only planet on which we have found life. Here is Robert Frost's poem. But outer space, at least this far, for all the fuss of the populace, stays more popular than populous.
And here they are, the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.